AlsoAsked is an excellent tool for marketers looking to understand what questions people usually have. All you need is to enter your target keyword into AlsoAsked and you'll get a visual map of related questions and the relationship between them. This data comes from the People Also Ask boxes on Google SERP and should help you figure out the user intent and structure your content to answer these common questions. Their free plan allows you to extract some valuable data and dip your toes into AlsoAsked full capabilities. Hey, this is just a start. You're about to see several more free SEO tools that are essential to use on your day-to-day. Moving on to Google Tools. They have a lot to offer when it comes to SEO, and one of their best tools is Google Search Console. This tool shows you how Google sees your site, how often it appears in search results, and which searches bring people to the site. Search Console also tells you about any problems Google finds, such as whether they can't read the sitemap or if there are security issues. This will give you a great overview of your site's performance and how Google sees it. Although Search Console is great, it restricts you to viewing and exporting only the top 1000 results. But with SEOTesting's data downloader, you can extract up to 5000 queries per calendar day via the Google Search Console API. The links for this and the other tools will be in the video's description near the like button. Using the data downloader, you can analyze more queries, find opportunities, and identify trends that you might have missed with a smaller dataset available via Google Search Console. Next, you have Bing Webmaster Tools. BWT is Microsoft's version of Search Console, as it helps you optimize your site for their search engine. Bing Webmaster Tools provides insights like the searches the site is ranking for, the backlinks it has, and crawl issues. It's also pretty handy for finding technical SEO problems, as you can submit sitemaps and monitor the site's health. There's even a keyword research tool to help you find new ranking opportunities. BWT is completely free and can expand your knowledge about how your site performs on other search engines. Next, you've got Google Analytics 4, one of the best analytics tools for knowing how people use your site. GA4 uses an event-based data model that can show users' interactions across different devices almost in real time. This tool has some machine learning capabilities to spot trends and suggest ways to improve. It also works well with other Google tools like Google Ads and Search Console, giving you a 360 view of your marketing efforts. Google Trends is often overlooked, but it's quite helpful as it shows you the popularity of a topic or keyword over time. You can see data from different countries, dates, and types of searches. For example, Google Trends can show you data for web or YouTube searches, which can help you understand what people are interested in and where they look for it. In the end, this tool is helpful to know if a topic is growing in popularity, declining, or if it's seasonal. Another great Google tool is the PageSpeed Insights. Use it to check how fast and easy it is to use your website on computers and phones. PageSpeed Insights gives your site a score and tells you what to fix, based on real data from Chrome users, so you know the advice is solid. Google Keyword Planner on Google Ads can help with both SEO and paid ads, especially for finding new keywords. With data on search volume, competition, and cost per click, you can make data-driven decisions about which keywords to target, and it also helps you understand seasonal trends. SEOTesting has two more free tools for you: Rank Tracker and the Chrome extension. SEOTesting's Rank Tracker is a great free tool for keeping tabs on your Google rankings. It lets you track up to 500 keywords based on Google Search Console data, providing daily updates. You can filter rankings by country and device, and compare data over 7, 30, 90 days and yearly averages, which helps you understand long-term trends. The SEOTesting Chrome extension lets you view SEO metrics directly in your browser, providing easy access to information. Even without a paid SEOTesting subscription, the extension works as a non-page analysis tool, showing information like the canonical URL, word count, headers, and the number of images without alt text. If you have a paid subscription, the extension provides access to SEO test results, which queries the page has ranked for in the last 90 days, and much more. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. If you want to get some juicy backlinks to your site, the next tools are for you. Help A B2B Writer is a fantastic free tool for marketers and writers seeking expert insights and quotes for their content. To earn backlinks to your site, sign up to the platform and start replying to expert comment requests. When a writer uses your expert comment, you will likely earn those valuable links. Qwoted is a similar platform that connects writers with experts. You can use it to find expert comments or pitch yourself to publications looking for an expert comment. However, the free plan restricts the number of searches and pitches you can send. It should be useful for you to get started with the platform. Screaming Frog is a must-use tool for technical SEO, like finding broken links and missing metadata on a site. Their interface is straightforward, making it easy to dig into your site's structure and on-page elements. You can then use this information to improve your site. While the free version of Screaming Frog is useful, it has some limitations. The most notable restriction is the 500 URL crawl limit, which might be insufficient for larger sites. Also, integrations and the ability to save and upload files aren't available in the free plan. ChatGPT and other LLMs like Claude are powerhouses for everyday SEO tasks. They can help you with simple things like writing meta descriptions, optimizing page titles, or writing image alt text. Although these are simple tasks, they can have a positive impact on traffic, as some of our SEO tests have shown. Other use cases and examples include asking ChatGPT to group keywords into clusters based on NLP analysis, or even asking it to find long-tail keywords. These capabilities go beyond just using LLMs to write articles and can save you a lot of time as an SEO. When it comes to WordPress SEO plugins, RankMath and Yoast are some of the best. RankMath's free version is pretty amazing. It has a Google Search Console integration, an XML sitemap generator, and schema markup generator. By providing this information directly in your WordPress dashboard, RankMath helps improve your site without you needing extensive technical knowledge. Yoast is quite similar and also does a great job as an SEO plugin. Yoast provides real-time analysis and recommendations for improving on-page SEO elements like meta descriptions and text readability. However, both plugins have their limits in the free versions. For example, on RankMath, the AI content analysis and advanced schema are only available for paid users, while on Yoast it's the internal linking suggestions and social previews. If you are running a bigger site, you might find yourself choosing the premium versions of these tools anyway. Ahrefs Webmaster Tools is a solid free option for SEO work. It lets you see who's linking to your site and how good those links are. AWT will also scan your site looking for problems like broken links, redirects on internal links, or missing descriptions. They also show you the keywords the site ranks for. You can see how well you rank for different keywords people search for, and you may even find new ones to target. This is really useful for getting a basic understanding of how your site is showing up in the search results. Although not a free tool, if you want to make the most out of your Google Search Console data, use SEO Testing to set up SEO tests and know what changes to your site increase traffic. We have a 14-day free trial for you to test it. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.